Hi students, we have been practicing counting three-dimensional shapes like spheres and cylinders. Today we're going to count cylinders and spheres all together. Remember, a cylinder is a shape that has a circle on the bottom, a circle on the top. It has 1, 2, 3 sides, and it can roll. Looks like a can or a jar sometimes. A sphere, I still love to say that word, it has a S and a F sound together, a sphere. A sphere is round like a ball, it has one side, and it can also roll, a sphere. So we're going to count today cylinders and spheres together. So your job is to get some cylinders and spheres. Make sure you have permission from your grown-up or your caretaker, and you're going to count all of the cylinders and all the spheres, and you're going to count all of them together. So I counted 8 cylinders when we did this before. So I'm going to either draw a picture of cylinders, and I'm just going to draw a circle because this isn't art, it's just math, and what mathematicians are efficient, they're fast. So I'm going to draw 8 circles for cylinders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or I can do tallies. Tallies are lines that mathematicians use to record numbers, to remember how many they counted. And remember, every time we say 5, we're going to go across, right? So I'm going to do 8 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I counted 9 spheres. Spheres are kind of tricky to draw, so I just drew a circle. So I'm going to draw 9 spheres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can also do tallies. Tallies are a tool. It's a way that mathematicians count so they remember a number. And remember, every time you do tallies and you say the number 5, you go across, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So today, we're going to put the numbers together for how many cylinders and how many spheres we counted all together. That's called addition. When we join numbers together, when we put numbers together, that is called addition. You are adding the numbers together. So today we're going to add the number of cylinders and add the number of spheres to see how many altogether we had. So I'm going to count all of my circles for the cylinders and spheres and see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wow, that's a big number. So I'm going to write that down here. I counted 17. I'm going to use a different color marker just so we can see it. 17 to 10 and 7 more. I'm going to put it in a box. I counted 17 cylinders and spheres all together. So today we practiced putting numbers together, joining numbers. We practiced addition. When we put numbers together, when we join numbers together, that's called addition. And we were counting all the cylinders we found, all the spheres we found. We drew pictures, we used tallies, we counted them, and we wrote the number. Today your job at home is to find some cylinders and spheres. Make sure your grown-ups and your caretakers give you permission or help you. Find them and count them, and you're going to record your work today on the templates that I put on Seesaw for you. I know you can do it. Are you ready? Get to work!